Listen to this very interesting and also thought-provoking idea. In Israel is one of the fastest growing country, strong with a military force, even though the country is in the threat with many other nearby countries, but still this country is strong enough. And also they are the technology and the agriculture and the economy of the country is growing rapidly in all with all high positive possibilities. If you look at any country or economy, every country grows, the growth of the country is basically dependent on two things. One is the culture, and culture and economy are the two sides of a same coin. There's one practice in Israel which is very interesting. Every kid who comes back from school, the parents are supposed to ask one question, which is very interesting. That every parent will ask their children one question. Instead of asking what you've learned, what you studied, how was the day, and all this stuff, they ask one question. Which was one interesting question that you asked your teacher today? Look at this. Instead of you asking teacher asking you a question or what happened in school, how it would be if somebody is asking you what question you asked your teacher. Very interesting, right? Now this makes us to think about questioning is always a sign of development. Now if a student is asking some question to the teacher, that indicates they are seeding the concept of curiosity from day one. And once he start asking question, maybe if the teacher don't know that answer, he or she will go to internet or Google about it and do research about it and come back with an answer next day. What if every student ask one or the other question, and because of which a student is working every day, and teachers are becoming more smart, and because when teachers are more knowledgeable, automatically students are more knowledgeable. If students are more knowledgeable, of course they have a better career. If they have better career and well educated atmosphere, of course we have great place to live. If you have great place to live, you have always a great opportunity for great and positive developments. If you look at the root, this all the growth and development will be a root because of the one root reason: asking something. That's or putting a seed of curiosity at the early stage always makes us to move ahead. So let us take this from those people from Israel and start implementing in us. Instead of that doesn't mean that teachers should know everything, but at least will make everybody, by asking questions, will make everyone to be more curious about a lot of things. So let it be a rational or irrational curiosity, but it should be we should have some sort of curiosity which makes us more profound. So this one small anecdote from Israel can make us more curious and more generous. Thank you.